We live in a toxic world. There are 84,000 known industrial chemicals used in the U.S., and they are found in air fresheners, cosmetics, cleaning products, detergents, body washes, pesticides, and the list goes on and on. Now, our bodies have a detox system, that's our liver. The liver is responsible for cleansing the blood, but in this toxic overload, our livers are groaning. Restore Life Liver Renew powerfully supports liver health with milk thistle, one of the most potent substances in promoting liver health. Now, this is a simple way to support your liver, but it's not a liver cleanse. It's for safe and effective daily liver support. I take it every day. And if you're planning a little night on the town, I take Liver Renew before I go out for extra liver support.